Another escapee fatally shot by the police after days on the run. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The head of the Trelawney Police Superintendent Winston Milton told reporters that the 23-year-old Tyrese Brown of Stetton in Trelawney was fatally shot after attacking cops with a machete. Acting on intelligence, the police went in search of Brown in Also Spring area. He was seen hiding behind a tree and jumped out of the tree armed with a machete. The police took evasive action and shot him. He said that Brown was taken to the Falmouth Hospital where he was pronounced dead. Brown was in custody on charges of rape and wounded with intent in relation to the killing of a 15-year-old girl, Jamila Cole, a former student of the Troy High School. Jamila died last year in hospital after being beaten and raped during a home invasion in Albertown, Trelawney. It was August of last year where the police made a desperate plea, asking Tyrese Brown to turn himself in for questioning.
We have been working assiduously to locate a third person who we believe the public can assist us in locating. He is Tyrese Brown, OC Sheetman, OC TJ, from an all-side district address in the parish of Trelawney. We believe that this man can assist us in advancing our investigation. Consequently, we are imploring him to come into us here at the Falmouth Police Station and speak with us. He may do so if he so desire with his attorney or any reputable member of the community, past justice of the peace. There is a theory that we have in relation to the possible cause of this incident, but at this point we would like to hold that back pending further investigation. Would not like to disclose that, but we can say that at this juncture there is nothing at all to indicate that any family member was involved in this gruesome act.
This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.